Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I'm going to share with you all of our groceries that I picked up from Walmart, and I'm going to share with you my meal plan that I have written out. I like to be under $200 a month. If you've been around my channel, you know I keep our budget at $200 for my family of four, me and my husband and my two boys. So I was under budget again this week, just barely, but $198. And I just love being under budget. I do go over budget here and there, but I really like to plan out our meals, go through the refrigerator and the pantry before I do my grocery list and my meal plan, so I know what we have and I don't want to waste anything. So I'll share with you what we got. I'll share with you everything I have down for our meal plan. I'm doing some extra things this week also, so I'll show those to you as well. Let me show you all the groceries. Okay, here is everything. A lot of stuff for $198. Everything that we need for the week, and some snack treats over there in the corner that the family just wanted. So let's start over here. I got some spinach for a soup I'm going to be doing. I got 3 boxes of eggs. It's just 12 eggs. It's cheaper right now, not always, but right now it's cheaper to buy them by the 12 pack instead of the box that I usually like to get. So 3 of those. Chicken apple sausage. My husband and I have that with our eggs in the morning, our breakfast, and I love it. A big thing of ground turkey. I like to pre-make up taco meat, and we use ground turkey. We do a lot of tacos on busy nights for the kids. We're in soccer right now, so we don't get home until a little bit later, a few nights a week. So I always like to have something really quick and easy ready to go, just in case we don't have time for full-fledged make dinner. So I got some more ground turkey here. I'm going to use this one for a chili I'm going to do for my lunch for the week. I have our chicken breast down here that I will grill up for our sandwiches and whatnot for the week, my husband's lunches and stuff. Bananas, we do a lot of bananas, lots and lots of apples. I mention every week we go through so many apples, and they are perfectly in season right now. So lots and lots of apples. Some green grapes. My kids are going to be so excited. They love grapes, and I never get them because they're super expensive. But since I was under budget this week, I thought I would throw in the grapes for a nice surprise. Big thing of strawberries, big thing of string cheese. I put string cheese in my kids' lunches, so they've been going through quite a bit. And I just get this big pack, so I don't have to get it every week, and it's just a better value. Sliced cheese for sandwiches, some zucchini, some yogurt, some more yogurt. We do a lot of yogurt. This is what my husband likes. I like this one, but I also, if you've been around my channel, I have really been liking this milk and cookies yogurt, and my kids got a taste of it last week and they like it too. So I don't want them to be eating it all the time. It is pretty expensive, but if they like it, it's fine. It's 0 sugar. So it's a little over $4 for the 4-pack of these Chobanis. So not crazy expensive, but it's not cheap either. I have some back here, some chicken stuffing mix. I'm going to be doing a crock pot video with that, so stay tuned. 2 things of almond milk, some regular milk for my kids, cereal and whatnot, yogurt tubes back there that I freeze, that my kids have those after dinner if they eat a good dinner. If they don't eat my milk and cookies Chobani yogurt. I have my favorite. I always try and keep this in the freezer, and I was running low, so my favorite Southwest Blend frozen mix. Edamame, I like it for snacks. We do it for dinners also. Riced cauliflower. I cannot get enough riced cauliflower lately. It has been one of my favorites. Avocados, broccoli, carb balanced tortillas. My husband can make a burrito out of pretty much anything, so these are his favorite. They're only 3 carbs, high in fiber, 110 calories, so these tortillas, they're really good. They're nice and soft, but they are just really great. And this is the big size. This is the burrito size, but really good tortillas. Sandwich thins for my husband, sandwiches for lunch. Some bread for my kids' sandwiches for school. I got some meatballs. I'm going to do a meatball recipe. My kids love meatballs, and these just frozen meatballs are so easy and convenient, and they really like them. So I get a lot of meatballs and do a lot of meatball recipes. Lots of beans here, black beans, great northern beans, corn, kidney beans, some diced tomatoes with green chilies. Like I mentioned a minute ago, I'm going to do a chili for my lunches. Some cream of chicken soup for one of my crock pot recipes. I am going to make a couple cake mix hack recipes this week, so stay tuned for that. I just posted last week a video of some cake mix hacks, so go check that out. They are all so good, and I really have so much fun using these cake mixes to make really awesome desserts. So I'm going to do 2 different ones this week, and I already had 1 box of mix, so I needed another box. Some chopped walnuts. My husband puts these on his yogurt. I got a frozen pizza. My kids really are obsessed with pizza. So I'm not going to tell them that we have it in the freezer, but I'm going to surprise them on Friday and just have a movie pizza night. They absolutely love that. So got that frozen pizza. Some mac and cheese spirals, another one of my kids' absolute favorites. I like to have a couple on hand. Frozen sausage. This Vermont maple flavor is delicious, and we've been going through quite a bit of sausage lately in the mornings. Pickles, bubbly sparkling water, my husband's favorite. I try and grab one here and there, but this is only an 8-pack. It's not a 12-pack like soda, but we don't do soda. But so it's only 8, so this lasts us a week if he has one a day, and then usually I steal one from him. Some zero sugar Jello. It's pudding Jello, but zero sugar, white chocolate, and then chocolate fudge. This is going to be for a couple of the desserts that I'm going to make. Peanut butter crackers. One of my kids absolutely loves these, and so had to stock up on them. It's a big pack. Hershey's Kisses and Rolos are going to go into the desserts that I'm making. So these are all of the groceries, everything for the week, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a couple treats as well. So let me show you my meal plan and my favorite little meal planning book that I've been using forever now. Here are the extras I'm going to make my cake mix cookies. So I'm going to do a caramel apple cake mix cookie, and then I'm going to do a blossom cake mix cookie with the Hershey's Kiss. So those will be delicious. I will share them in a video with you, of course. So the meal plan for this week, I'm going to do crock pot chicken and stuffing. We're going to do some carne asada tacos on the Blackstone. I actually get the carne asada at a market that we have near our house, a meat market. So I'm glad I was under budget this week because I will be getting that extra, and it's usually about $15, $16 for the amount that I get. I'm going to do Swedish meatballs with the frozen meatballs. I'm going to do Cajun shrimp pasta. Last week I showed you this high protein, low carb pasta that I got, and it's really good. We had it last week, and I'm going to do it again this week. And then I had some shrimp in the freezer also, so using that. Pizza. We're going to a birthday party, and I like to write down all of the little functions that we're doing so that I know I don't need to do a full dinner for that night, and then it just helps with the grocery plan. And then I'm going to do chicken demand casserole. It is a huge family favorite that we love. So those are the meals and the groceries for the week. So I hope that this video gave you some motivation to do some meal planning for your family, some ideas of what to make for dinner. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and always leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.